Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to redirect your contact form 7 to a thank you page. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. So here we are going to go to the contact section. Let me go to the pages. Here is pages and here we have contacts view. There is no contact section. Let me go to my contact form. We have one contact form, so I'm going to add this in a new page. Pages, all pages, add new contact form. Okay. Paste this, publish, view this page. This is form, right? Now we are going to add a plugin that is called you can say contact form 7. Where is dashboard? Hmm. Go to the plugins, add plugin, contact form 7 redirection. Okay, so here the plugin is contact form 7. We can type. Let's see which plugins they are coming. Contact form 7, that is active. Thank you page. Thank you. Check it's coming or not. This one. That was our redirect to thank you page. Let me check on the Google. Contact form 7. Thank you. So this is the plugin. Contact form 7 by sports person. How much? Okay, you can use also this plugin. Redirection for contact form 7. This is 128. So you can use this redirection for contact form 7. And go to the WordPress, add new plugin. This is one. Install this. Let's activate. Okay, skip. Okay, let then go to the your contact form 7. Contact forms. Which contact form we have used? This one. Let's go to the here we are going to the actions. Choose an action. Redirect. Add an action. Enable redirect. New action. Rule type. Select page. About us. For now, open page in a new tab or the same. Okay, enable redirect, then save. Right, so this is done. So let's go to the contact page, reload this page and add this email subject and this message submit. About this page it should redirect, right? See, it is redirect to the about us page. Any page you can select over here and it will redirect to the particular page. That is so easy that you can do it via this one. Also you can do it via custom code also. You can override the hook of the WP7CF mail sent. After mail sent, when this function trigger, you can trigger this hook and redirect to your custom page. You can pass out any of the URL and it will redirect to that logic without the use of this plugin, right? So this is done via plugin, and if you want without doing this without plugin, you can also write it in a comment. I will add it into the video tutorial and you can get to know about it, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. So this is how we are redirecting to the contact us form 7 to the thank you page or any page you want to redirect, right? Home page, about us, any page, right? So thank you so much. Have a great day.